fresh and this one's not. Maybe because I had this one. She says lots of bad words. Is that Nicki?
Cardi.
Oh. Wow, she sounds just like Nicki.
No, she doesn't.
She sounds the same as Nicki Minaj.
Come over here. Come in front of the camera. Come over here right now.
I want Nicki Minaj.
No, she's not gonna see it. What do you just say right now? What do you just say?
That Cardi B and Nicki Minaj sound the same.
You have to talk louder.
That Cardi B and Nicki Minaj sound the same.
How do they sound the same?
Because they both say lots of bad words.
And what else?
That's it.
Do they look the same?
No.
Who looks better? Who do you think looks cuter, prettier?
I like how Cardi B sings and Nicki Minaj, Nicki too. But I like.
Hasta más para acá.
I like.
Ay.
Okay, gosh. I like Nicki Minaj's makeup better.
You like Nicki Minaj better?
No, I like her makeup and I like her songs, but I don't listen to her that much. Can't put this on.
Use your two of your hands. Two of your hands, like you have 5 hands.
You're still recording, you know that, right?
I know. Sit down. So who do you like better?
I like Cardi B songs because I don't listen to Nicki Minaj that much. But I like her makeup.
Did you see the fight?
Of what? Of what?
Nicki Minaj and Cardi B.
No. Who won?
They have security guards like everywhere. They didn't let them fight. It was at like a fashion show, and then Cardi B like threw a shoe at Nicki Minaj, but it didn't. She didn't hit. Like she didn't get her. She missed. She has bad aim. What do you think about that?
I feel like Cardi B's mean.
Mean?
Oh, she was trying to throw a shoe at her.
This is literally a video of me doing a Cardi B inspired makeup tutorial, but I'm listening to Nicki Minaj music. Look, I'm trying to do this makeup. Look.
Oh, but she doesn't have pimples.
Obviously, Cardi B doesn't have pimples.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh God, I got louder.
Y cuántas veces te lo dije que empezarás a olvidar. Yo con el sueño de estar siempre a tu lado. Y si tengo una sonrisa es porque el sueño se ha logrado. Escúchame bien.
What happened to your cheeks?
It's too comfortable.
Are you trying your best to take off, like, to cover your pimples?
No. Cardi B like has like a flat nose. My nose isn't that flat. So like they literally contour her nose so skinny.
Oh my God. Her nose is so small. Yours is like more
Out? Yeah, I know.
And hers is like in.
Yeah, I know.
How?
Because everybody's face is different.
And you guys are the same color actually.
What?
Of skin.
We're the same color of skin? Yeah. Oh, I just
Ew!
mixed up. Cardi B had under eyeliner, like all over her nose. Hey. Follow me at Basketball Kid 123.
Yeah, he only has
You
8
literally
subscribers.
spit on my eyeshadow. What video ideas do you have for me to do? Like what videos do you want me to do? By the way, I'm putting like the residue of Rockstar and Mystic under my lash line. Just on the outer half.
All I see on YouTube are gaming videos because all I want to watch is gaming
That's
videos.
not what I asked.
But video ideas would be her making, me doing her makeup.
Comment down below if you want to see that. Anyways. Alright, now I'm putting the gold shade on the like middle right here.
Wait, you had it run longer?
No, I had you longer.
Sure you did. I think I just ripped my shirt.
My mom's calling me. Hold it up like this.
Ay, qué guapos, mis amores chulos.
Siempre estamos guapos, mamá.
Y Dani no me va a mandar.
Ella como siempre.
Challenges.
Vlogs. You could do
What am
vlogs.
I gonna vlog? All I do is work all day.
That's all what she does.
Saturdays she just goes out, has dinner, and then comes back and goes to sleep. Or sometimes he goes to her boyfriend's house, the boyfriend's mom's house, or his.
Where do I go Sunday mornings?
Oh, we go to the park and play volleyball. But like why I did that, I don't even know like why I hit that. Look in the back like that. Ishan and Sistina like Tika, she call him papi. Work that ASAP, keep me papi. I'm from New York, so I'm copy. Say he faces pretty as the face. I get chips, I ask for ladies.
Okay guys, so I know I said that I was gonna put on my lipstick and you know that I would be right back, but I had to do my hair and I'm actually in a rush because I'm going to a party right now, so I can't finish the look. So I'm just doing the eye look, I guess, for this video. Maybe I'll do another one, like a redo. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video yet, but if it does, I feel like this video is gonna be all over the place, but hopefully it's kind of entertaining for you guys. So if you enjoyed, like literally my voice is so shaky because I've been in a rush, so if you enjoyed, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.